Hi, so I want to show you some electrical supplies and tools that I use. I bought some from AliExpress, like these wire clamps. I looked at Vago, but I couldn't find one for this. So this one is a KV6. You see, 6 mm. It allows for cable up to 6 mm. Has this Chinese name here. And the way it works is you have this. You see. You put the wire in here, and then this comes and clamps it, so you don't need screws. And it has this divider, so the wires from one side will not touch the other, so you can put copper and aluminum. If you use aluminum, it's good to use the alu past from Vago. Anyway, I couldn't find anything at Vago for 6 mm, and I found these on AliExpress and they were quite cheap. I'll put a link in the description. And in order to use this, I also bought this. It's a crimper, this style. I bought this one, the shiny version, because I didn't like the black one. It has this ratchet mechanism here, so it's easy to crimp. You see, it holds, and then you push it all, and it goes back. It has these things here. Okay, and this one it's from Weicon. They're made in Germany. This one is like the best wire stripper I found. At least I used. So you set the width here, how much wire you want to wire isolation you want to remove. You see it works for 0 to up to 6 mm, and it will strip it. I'll show you in a second. Also has this cutter here, and that's it. Pretty simple. It's not cheap. It's like 20 euro, and this one like 10 euro. So this one is more expensive. Alright, so we have a 6 mm wire here that goes with this. Of course, we need to strip it first. Let's see if this one shows any how much wire. Normally on the Vago you have some markings around here, but on this one there is none. So it's like this much, and then probably around this much. We're gonna go the full way. So how this works? You see, very clean. Doesn't harm the wires inside. Normally you can put it like this in here. So the wire stops here. Anyway, we're gonna use some of these. Okay, we have the 6 mm one. I think the wire is too short. We need to strip it a bit more. but we are already at the maximum with the end stop, so we'll remove it. You have to press on the sides and then pull it down and it will get up. You see, it has empty space in the middle, so you can compress it. Okay, now we can strip as much as we want. Like I said the first time, it doesn't cut the wires. Okay, we should be fine now. It's probably a bit too much, but anyway, it will work. Okay, let's use the crimper. This is my first try as well. There's no need to use two hands. But like I said, it was my first time. Okay, it looks quite good. Doesn't move. Square. Let's cut the extra wires. We're gonna use the cutter. Let's try not to make a mess. I missed a bit. The cutter is a bit small, it's not so great, but it's not the main function of the... Okay, it kind of bent the ferrule. Let's try to crimp it again. It should fix it probably now. Yeah, it looks quite well. Maybe give it another one. Okay, looks fine now. Doesn't move. Yeah, there's a bit of problem here. It gets stuck because I should have used the ferrule with a longer wire, but that's all I have. Okay, it's quite sturdy, much better than the ones with screws. It takes a bit of effort, but it's not moving from there. It would have been easier without the ferrule. Okay, it's great. I'm very happy with it. And there's the stripper. You can lock it from here when you don't use it. Quite nice. And this is the crimper. That's the number. It can do up to 10 millimeters. Okay, there's the crimper. I bought this set of ferrules as well from AliExpress. They're quite cheap and plenty of them. Hope you find this useful. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more.